Time for the weather now, and Sarah Landon sent in tonight's viewer pick. A mostly dry and sunny day across the territory with patchy rain about the far north. It reached a top of 33 degrees in Darwin and Warramiunga today, Berry Springs 36. Across the territory, very hot in the far south, reaching 41 degrees at Yalara, Alice Springs 37. In Katherine it got to 37 degrees, 35 in Borroloola. Millingimby in northeast Arnhem Land has had a drenching with more than 100 millimetres of rain recorded in the 24 hours to 9 a.m. Earlier today, not a lot of rain about, with just 3 millimetres recorded at Cape Wessel in the far northeast. Around Australia today, warm again in Perth, Adelaide and Brisbane, cool in Canberra at 23 and cold again in Hobart, reaching 16 degrees. On the satellite, tropical cyclone Freddie can be seen off the WA coast, and there's another cyclone in the Coral Sea. A broad area of low pressure extends over northern Australia. A ridge is driving up the heat in the south, and another monsoon could hit the top end over the weekend. Interstate tomorrow, warm and sunny in Perth and Adelaide, rain for Sydney and Brisbane, a cloudy 27 degrees for Melbourne. To our north, storms for Singapore 33 degrees, cloudy in Jakarta, rain for Dili 30. Back home, a low of 21 degrees tonight for Alice Springs, 37 tomorrow, 42 for Yalara, Tennant Creek 36. Chance of rain and storms up top, 36 degrees for Katherine, 34 for Maningrida and Numbulwar. Chance of rain again in the west, 32 the top for Darwin and Warramiunga, Jabiru 34, 35 for Wadeye. A severe thunderstorm warning is in place for the Barkly district, and there's also a strong wind warning for the Beagle Bonaparte coast. There'll be a 6.5 metre high tide at 8 a.m. and a low at 2:20 p.m. The sun will rise at 6:43 and will go down around 20 past 7. And looking ahead for Darwin, warm and humid with an increasing chance of rain and storms over the weekend. In Alice Springs, sunny for the rest of the week and into next week as well. And stay with us now. Sarah Ferguson is up next with 7:30. Good night.